this video, we're going to take a closer look and show you how easy it is to fit this set of LED upgrade rear lights into this Mark III Scirocco. You should be able to complete this task using no tools and under 5 minutes. Features on this rear light set include startup animation and dynamic indicators. Please see the links below. These can be purchased from our website or our eBay store.
So inside the boot, you'll see this little flap, pull it back and you'll see this little clip. This needs to be twisted out. If it's tight and you can't get it out by hand, you can use a flathead screwdriver or a 10mm socket. It's now out, so the rear light should just simply pull out. So to unplug the rear light, there's 2 tabs. Press those in and then pull the plug out.
They are completely plug and play. Everything is pre-wired, so they plug directly into the loom on your vehicle, so there is no need to alter any wiring. To activate the startup animation and dynamic indicators, you need to disconnect these 2 plugs.
So what you need to do is when you're refitting your light, that clip needs to slide in there so it keeps it flush against the body. Then it's just simply a case of reinstalling this little clip, cap back on, job done.
This is a really simple upgrade you can do at home. The overall build quality on these lights is really good. The kit includes 2 lights and some basic fitting instructions. The kit also includes built-in resistors. These rear lights are fully E-marked, they are road legal and also MOT compliant. These rear lights are packed really well. This is to avoid any damage during transit. The lights are also packed inside a bag. This is to avoid any scratches on the lens.